What's up, guys? It's Mark, the Mercado channel, back with a video. You guys are probably wondering, like, Mark, where are you right now? But I'm inside work. I'm on my lunch break, so I'm grinding. I'm gonna put out a video for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what sold on eBay in the last month. For those of you who don't know, I've been taking reselling really serious on eBay, so I've been listing quite a few items. I have been getting a decent amount of traffic on my eBay account, which is really good and exciting. And whenever you can turn trash and, you know, even certain items that you're not using into profit, that's always important, and I'm all for extra money on the side. So I want you guys to stick around. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the Mercado channel, and all the hustles we do here. All right, guys, so we're on my eBay account right now. I'm gonna show you guys the items I've sold, the items I have listed. So when we scroll to the bottom here, I delivered a vintage game, as you can see. I shipped some cleats on November 7th. That was a bid there, that thermostat. I have to ship that out when they make the payment. And I also shipped a hat today. Right here, we're just going to scroll through all the active listings that I have also on eBay. I have a True Religion coat that I listed. We got a Polo Ralph Lauren shirt. A couple hats, which I'm getting a decent amount of watchers here, which is pretty exciting. And as I list more and more items, you know, obviously my rating and my numbers will go up. So I'm pretty excited that a lot of people are a decent amount of people are coming to the account here on my eBay and actually viewing stuff, and I'm actually selling some items. So the more I sell, the better. All right, guys, there you pretty much have it. Like I said, I don't have much items, you know, listed, and I haven't sold a lot of items like some of these top sellers are doing right now. But like I said, you have to start somewhere, and I am going to take this serious. I'm going to be purchasing items soon from China for a low cost, trying to sell them on eBay for more. I'm also going to continue dumpster diving and going to yard sales and thrift stores, see what we can find to obviously make a profit at the end of the day. No matter what it is, as long as profit, it's profit. I'm grateful for everything we're doing here on this channel, for my family, Haley, all the help. We're going to continue driving this channel tremendously, giving you guys some genuine content, you know what I mean? And we really want to thank you guys for the support. Continue supporting us. We really appreciate it. We're going to continue with the side hustles and the business ventures and all this fun stuff. So if you are new, like I said, stick around, hit that red subscribe button. Check out a bunch of our videos. They're awesome. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for the support once again. This is the Mercado channel. Don't forget, get that money and stay safe, guys. Peace.